Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to fix iTunes not opening or working on Windows 11 10s. Several solutions are shared here. Solution 1: Run iTunes as administrator. Right-click on iTunes and choose Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. OK, iTunes is open. Solution 2: Launch iTunes in safe mode. Press the Ctrl plus Shift keys together and double-click the iTunes icon. OK, you can hit the Continue button to run iTunes in safe mode. Solution 3: Turn off iTunes Compatibility Mode. Right-click iTunes and choose Properties. Then click the Compatibility tab. Uncheck the option Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Hit the Apple and OK button to apply the change. Now, try to open iTunes. Solution 4: Repair your iTunes installation. Right-click on Windows icon and open Control Panel. Click Uninstall a program, find iTunes and right-click it, then choose Repair. Minutes later, you can try to open iTunes. Solution 5: Repair damaged iTunes library files. Open this PC. Select Music and then click iTunes folder. Rename iTunes library file to iTunes Library Old. Now try to run iTunes. See, the new iTunes library file is created automatically. Solution 6: Repair iTunes startup issues with iTunes Repair Tool. Head to iSunshare.com and find iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Download and install it on your computer. Open iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Choose iTunes Repair and click Repair iTunes Errors. In no time, this iTunes Repair tool will check the iTunes components automatically. Well, the process ends. Hit the Repair button to repair the iTunes. Wow, the iTunes is repaired successfully. And now you can open iTunes. If the issue exists, you can click Advanced Repair to repair it again. That's all for the video.